super steep. Oh my gosh. Do you want me to take a picture of you?
No. Go! Finish! 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 Let's go! Woo!
We made it to Tokyo. Tokyo. We made it. 7-Eleven. It's so cool. Cheers. Here's a book. Arigato. Different pot. How's that taste? Good? Good. Put over. Very good. So good. So good. I love these old cars. They're so sweet. The old taxis. Car garage. Literally nobody walks their bikes in Japan. We're in Japan. Akasaka. Are you happy to be here? Yes. I know. Are you happy to be here?
Yeah, I need to buy a cloth.
Oh, yeah. You need one of those the necklace. Yeah, we're here.
But I do have.
We're vibing out. Little Filipino fan. Everybody's got these. Electric. Saves the environment. All those lithium batteries.
No.
I know, I'm just joking. We're going to see a shrine. It might be close. The streets are so cool. I feel so safe here. This is the Akasaka Hikaway Shrine. Akasaka. We're in it. By Pocari Sweat.
Your nose.
What?
You have a suntan.
On my nose?
Yeah.
Cool. Guys, look how steep the staircase is. We're on top of the highest point in Tokyo right now at a shrine. Stairs. Super steep. Oh my gosh. Do you want me to take a picture of you?
No.
Samantha. You can see the tower in the distance. Welcome to Brad's walking tour. You wanna go? Oh, I guess this is the big entrance. I think this is the big entrance for the thing. Little kids walking everywhere. They look like they have their life together more than me. With their bags on, outfits. Sam found the Starbucks. So expensive.
ご参加のお客様は右手側トップデッキゲートへお進みくださいませ。This is the main deck scan floor. For the top deck tour, please proceed to the right. Have a nice time. Thank you.
いってらっしゃいませ。こちら右手から楽しみくださいませ。OK。
Oh, that's scary. Where? This could be the
Mount Fuji is somewhere over there. You can see the horizon. Sam, you want to walk on it? You gonna walk on it? Oh my gosh. That's so scary. That's so scary. That's so scary. Oh my gosh. I can't even look down.
Walk through. No, you have to look down and walk through.
I don't think I can do it.
You can do it. You can do it. Go. Walk.
I'm not walking. It's terrifying. I don't like that. I don't like that. Chilling like a villain. We're in the Imperial Palace gardens right now. That's one of the turret towers. Pretty sweet. Huge walls. I could climb all these walls.